District na loko South Karamoja imodat rusina kapiprit na bilatu kunepe kamudat kesde tere kina kidatunzi na dai wea kirom itosoma Elago anoda tunzi na kai network.
We had one booster for MTN in Tokora. Yet we had another one for Airtel, just about 2 kilometers from this office. But sometimes we are not getting signals, even inside this very office where we are sitting. Whenever I'm in this office, I was like in a blackout. Until I walk out to the office, is when I will be able to communicate.
Because the network sometimes switches to the Kenyan network, and that is Safaricom. So sometimes getting information, it may take us long since the network keeps on switching here and there.
Amura kwa edikota hapa tunapata network kufikiria, lakini kisonga vile kisambo like subcounty Katabag, Losidok, Karita, Locales, Tilizo Locales, hapo network very bad.
Immediately walk further to the east of our offices here and move towards the mountain. You receive the signal Safaricom welcomes you to Kenya, which is rather a bit, sometimes you find it is very expensive.
Tunzi na kwa penatela gom araibonat internet nyezda itoltoleja na kine nepeka swamna de district.
Sometimes like when we are entering this data for PDM, it takes time. It is very slow.
Well, most of the information that's supposed to come from the center, sometimes it delays. A letter, for instance, that is supposed to be delivered within a day. Sometimes you get it after 3 to 4 days. We get challenged to an extent that the CFO, CAO can have to go to another district for making payments.
District akwa penatamu dat nyezde mamedio radio station loda epupo ile mangunu boni ludo Kenya. Ngareno kwa kizda kwa nebaka sebe eraichan idea paka Kenya anuja wayara kiro itorite otomano radio.
Currently, the only radio station that we can access is a radio station called Kalia Radio. That is in Kapenguria, in West Pokot in Kenya. So that's where we normally cross to, which sometimes is being supported by the development partners. It is once in a while. You may even take a month or 2 months without even going there because the government of Uganda is not paying the airtime for that radio station since it is another country.
Like they listed almost 100%, but the feedback is a bit low because calling the Safaricom line is a bit harder. That most people who are listening, who are giving the calls, are from the other side of Kenya.
Ido itunga la mudatam kesi kwa nadi lipitos apugan araibonate dio tungenen yende pedorim aruku kesi kedabere radio.
Government isaidie sisi kama kampuni ya booster nini wale unasaidianga alete asaidia watu mnene network communication hata muda disika kuna radio.
Want to support us to give us a radio station in Amuda. It's really a big challenge.
Godfred Eyoku, TV East, South Karamoja.